My dear friends, on November 18th, we commemorate the dedication of the Basilicas of Saints Peter and Paul. St. Peter's Basilica was originally built in the year 323 by the Emperor Constantine on the tomb of St. Peter, the first Pope. After the 1,000 years, Pope Julius II began the reconstructing work in the year 1506, and for about 120 years, the Basilicas underwent many alterations and artwork. Basilica was finally consecrated by Pope Urban VIII on November 18, 1626. St. Paul's Basilica is located outside the original walls of Rome, and it was also originally built by the Emperor Constantine, where St. Paul was martyred. It was completely destroyed by fire in the year 1823, and then it was reconstructed and was consecrated by Pope Pius IX in the year 1854. These two basilicas even now visited by many pilgrims to honor one's own love and commitment to our Mother Church.